MTech CCNA practical labs. In this lesson, we will learn how to make configuration PAGP either channel on switches. So, to make in our configuration, we will take these few steps. In our first step, we will take the power supply on the layer 3 switch. So, before I start in our lesson, I will give you some explanation about the importance of the PHEP either channel. The PHEP is a Cisco priority protocol for creating either channel links, either channel bundles, multiple Ethernet connections to increase bandwidth and redundancy. KPHEP either channel advantages: higher bandwidth, load balancing, fault tolerance, scalability, simplified configuration. In short, PHEP either channel provides increased performance, resiliency, and manageability for Ethernet network on Cisco devices. So if we return in our lessons, so in our first step, we'll go in the layer 3 switch, click the layer 3 switch, and take the power supply. Okay, then close. Okay, in our next step is configuring PHEP and trunking. So we will start in this switch. So come this switch, enable config. We will check the port interfaces. So FS03, FS01, and FS02. Okay, interface range fast Ethernet 01 to 3, channel group mode, channel group, channel group 1, mode auto. Exit interface port channel 1, switch port mode trunk. Interface port channel 1, switch port mode trunk. Do write, do show either channel. As you see in here, in our group stat is a layer 2 switch, port is 3, max port is 8, port channel is 1 maximum, port channel is 1, protocol PAGP. Okay, come this another side. So in this interface we make a auto, and but this interface we will make for a desirable. So come this switch, layer 3 switch, no, enable config. I will check the interfaces of the layer 3 switch, 103, 102, and 101. Interface range gigabyte 101 to 3, channel group 1, mode desirable. As you see in here, it's working. Okay, exit interface port channel 1, switch port mode trunk. Okay, now we finish. Okay, do show either. Okay, come this another side. Let me check the interfaces, the board interfaces. Okay, gigabyte 106, 105, and 104. Okay, exit interface range gigabyte 104 to 6, channel group 2, because this side was channel group 1, but this another side will be channel group 2. Okay, channel group 2 mode auto, because this side was decidable. So two interfaces you cannot make a same configuration. So if you make this interface decidable, you will make this another side for auto. Okay, auto, exit interface port channel 2, switchboard mode trunk, do right, do show either channel. When you see that stack, you will pass Ctrl Shift 6. Do show, do show either channel. Exit. Do show either channel. Okay, good. Okay, we will come this another side and we will make the configuration for a desirable. We will assign a desirable. So let me check the interfaces. 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Click the switch, enable config interface range, interface range fast ethernet 01 to 3, channel group 2 mode desirable, because this interface was auto, so you cannot make both of them auto or desirable. Do right, do show either channel. As you see in here, everything is working. So thank you very much, and we will see you in the next class.